Yeah.
What we just do?
We just bought a 1991 Mazda Miata with 84,000 original miles and everything on it's perfect.
For what price?
$1,500.
With LSD.
With viscous LSD, bro.
What do you think about this press? Steel.
Steel's
Now we here with the Mexican.
You know?
I mean, still not a BMW, but
Shut up. You're literally a faggot.
Yo, Cam, what we got going on?
We just caught the Beatimus Maximus from 1991 Mazda Miata. It's got 84,000 miles on it, and we whipped it.
Got OEM Mazda Steelies. Seth in the driver's seat though. NRG wheel. 84K.
oh my god, I'm gonna test out something.
Down the road. Cam.
Beautiful undercarriage. Viscous LSD. Wish it was a Torsen, but it'll be great.
So we go on the road, I'll let you know. It won't even be like a mile. And I'll
Some rare shits. What up, Seth? Oh yeah, I just picked up the Miata.
on me. And on me, Preston don't know how to drive his own car because we finna make this bit pop out this fucking light.
On me
God.
though.
Please pop. Oh my god, be the god pop. Please don't get caught around.
Hell yeah. I got some good rollers, fool.